Okie doke, coming back with one more Dirty Joe break. Dirty Joe 15, Joe and Kacy. What's up, guys? Heard it's Kacy's birthday. Happy birthday, Kacy. Hope you have a happy birthday and a great Christmas or holiday. Showing you, you didn't ask for this, but was out of platinum and I have one sealed case. So I'm just going to take your box. You just said you wanted a box. I'm going to take it right from the fresh case real fast. I don't know if you guys were the ones that were asking, but I actually got the Sterling and the Magic in. Somebody was. There we go. What box did you get? Box 80. And I'll send those sleeves for you too. But happy birthday, Kacy, and we'll see what you get. 2010 Platinum Football. Hope you get one of those cards you guys need for your set. Empty. James Starks thick card, Kafka, Rolando McClain. Brandon I. Fell, Carlton Mitchell. Toby Gerhart, Tony Pike. Aaron Hernandez, Ryan Matthews. Tons of rookies in this stuff. CJ Spiller, Taylor Price. Another thick one, Dez Bryant, Dexter McCluster, and Jonathan Dwyer. Armonte Edwards, Montario Hardesty. Riley Cooper, Jimmy Clausen. Manuel Sanders, Charles Scott. There he is. You love him. Sean Canfield. Oh, redemption for Joe McKnight. It's the variation base. That's the thin one. Jotted best. What in the world? Oh, okay, Ray Rice. I was like, is that Riley Cooper? $9.99 Golden Tate, Anthony McCoy. I thought that said Riley Cooper. It said Ray Rice. Here's something blue. Tony Pike, $5.99. Blue refractor autograph. Derek Morgan, Desmond Briscoe. Jonathan Crompton, David Reed, Jonathan Crompton. Got the thick one and the thin one. Dez Bryant, Sam Bradford. Joe Webb, Tim Tebow, rookies. I think the patch is after this one. The next pack looks super thick. Mike Williams, Dan Lefevre. Number to 9.99, Montario Hardesty, Jacoby Ford. Anthony Dixon, James Stark. John Skelton, Eric Decker. Jimmy Graham, Andre Roberts. There's a white Earl Thomas, $4.99, and a regular Earl Thomas. And here's the patch, guys. It shall be a... I think you got him just literally the other day. Marquise Colston. It was somebody that opened a platinum the other day. Marquise Colston, 6 of 200. Nicer patch. I think the other one was one color. back-to-back Colstons, Easley and Berry. There you go, guys. As always, I appreciate it. I'll get those sleeves out with these cards for you. And once again, Merry Christmas to both of you, and Happy Birthday, Kacy. See ya.